Hey everyone, welcome back to the signNow video guide with a new helpful tip on how electronic signatures can transform your day-to-day document workflows.
Eliminate unnecessary hassles in your workflow by creating templates for your most used documents and collaborating on them with your teams. With templates, you can reuse your most common documents and forms, create complex signing sessions with multiple roles and steps, get multiple individually signed documents by generating signing links, and send documents for signature in bulk. To create a template, in your signNow dashboard, click Make Template right on a document, or click Make Template from the More Options dropdown. All your templates are stored in the Templates folder on the left sidebar. You can also simplify the process of collaborating on documents and templates by creating a team. To do so, go to the My Teams tab. Click Create Team, name your team, and enter team member emails to invite people to it. When your team has been created, you can manage it, view shared documents and templates, invite new people, or cancel invitation requests. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses. signNow provides its users with a seamless e-signature experience anytime, anywhere, on any device. signNow's intuitive interface allows first-time users to create an account, upload documents, and send their first document for signing in minutes. No long training or downloads required. Break free from pricing plans with hidden costs for overages or renewals. With signNow, you only pay for what you use without overcharges for extra sends or templates. Close deals faster, improve your team collaboration, and get complete visibility into the document signing process using advanced functionality that is tailored to your needs. signNow is committed to protecting your sensitive information by complying with global, industry-specific security standards. On top of that, signNow easily integrates with the apps and CRM that you already use, close deals, and accelerate projects without leaving your software, and supercharge your experience with the Business Cloud, an end-to-end solution that not only incorporates e-signature, but PDF editing and document workflow automation.
So now are you ready to switch to an e-signature product? Let us know in the comments. And also, click the link in the description to get your free trial that you can cancel anytime with no obligations.